Alright, so this will be an explanation of how the DL system works, the deltalogger. And this is very nice for all the admins. Alright, so if something gets briefed, right? This is briefed spawn right now. So just press DL. Wait. You place a block back first, and you do DL inspect, and you press that block, and then you're able to see that I have removed that block. Then you press DL inspect again to turn off the inspection mode, and you go to DL rollback. Then you need to figure out a radius around you. This is in blocks, not chunks, don't worry. And then you press an amount of time, so for now it's 60 seconds. That's how the deltalogger mod works, and that's how simple it is. Have fun.